Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get a block from Amazon without refreshing it. So you can see on the screen I have to refresh it again and again with my finger, with my thumb to get the blocks. But I'm going to tell you now, you have to download one app. That app will allow you to accept automatically. So I'm going to explain you step by step. So this only, I can tell you that this only going to work for Android, not iPhone at the moment. So you're gonna go to your Play Store and you're gonna go in search bar and you're gonna write it down automatic clicker. Automatic clicker is gonna comes up, so you're gonna click the first one. So you're gonna see the lot of option here. So you're gonna click on the first one, which is say quick touch automatic clicker. So you're gonna click on that, you're gonna install it. So when it's done, you're gonna open it, and you have to press grant. You have to press, you have to allow some permission. So it will comes up, you're gonna allow permission. So now we're gonna try this one. So automatic clicker is gonna become over here. So I'm gonna click this one, open it. So I'm gonna say start. So you have to little bit do more setting as well. So if you read this carefully, if it's saying that starting the automatic clicker accessibility service allows these applications to send clicks tabs on your behalf. So you can disable it at any time. It will need to be enabled for automatic clicker to run. So we need to enable this. So when you're gonna click on start this, so the notification is off, you have to turn on the notifications. Then we're gonna open a quick assist again, start. So here you can say installed service, third option from the bottom, installed service. You say 3 service in blue, so you're gonna click on that. So at quick touch automatic clicker off, so we're gonna turn it on. It's allow, so it's allow now. So we're gonna try again. So yeah, is open now. So when you're gonna allow this one, it's gonna be comes up like this. So you can see these are two options, is start single target mode. So but we're gonna click on the second option, which is say multi-target mode. I'm gonna click on that. You can click yes on that. Okay, it will explain you what to do. So I'm gonna click again. Okay, this will comes up. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna minimize this one. Now you're gonna go to the Amazon and you're gonna click on the available block. So refresh it. Okay, now so what you're gonna see, you can see the plus sign. So you're gonna click plus signs once, so then this comes up. So you're gonna put over here around, it's gonna be like this. Otherwise you can, if you go to the home screen, then you have to put I have available offer, that's why. Okay, so you're gonna put around over here. So when you go, if there's no blocks, it's going to be the cross sign at the home screen. So you're gonna put at the cross sign. I think you got it what I mean. So I mean this cross sign, it will appear disappear now. So you have to put at the cross sign. Look, if you can see the cross is coming and go. So you have to put around this here. So go to refresh. Okay, so you're gonna put this one. Now the plus sign, you're gonna press and hold it. So press and hold it, you're gonna get like this, start and end. So now start and end, this is very important, where you're gonna put start and end. So you can put start here and end here, but you have to check your mobile setting. If your setting is from right to left, then you're gonna put start here and end here. But if your setting is from left to right, then you're gonna put start here and end here. Otherwise it's gonna be a problem. Or you can check that just play, then see you can get block or not. So I'm gonna put from left to right, guys, as I'm repeating again. So start and end is going to be very important where you're going to put it. So you can put from the right, and left is going to be on the end. So but you need to be very careful, you have to check. So I'm going to put on the start on the left hand side, and end on the right hand side. So now you're going to click play button, which is at the top of plus sign. You can see plus sign, you're going to play. So now I can see this comes up, means I have a problem, so means my setting is other way around. So I'm going to put start on this side. Now I'm going to switch it, you can see. So then I'm going to play the plus button again. Now see, you can see there's no problem. So it's refreshing now by itself, and when it's going to be job, it will accept it quickly, and it will give you the notification as well. Means you have to press the ringtones. Means when you're gonna get the job, you can leave as it is, and you can get the job. And I can tell you that means you have to do the limited hour in a week. If you done that hour, then you're gonna play this one, so it will not accept that week block, but it is gonna accept next week block. And when you're gonna keep playing it, then it's gonna be say you refresh many times, they will not allow you. It means you finish your all block. So yeah, I hope so you understand this one. Let's say for 30 seconds. Today here is a holiday, so I'm not sure I'm gonna get any block at the moment, but I got 2 blocks today already. So that's the way you're gonna get the block. Yeah, look guys, you can see now I got the problem. Look, so this is not accepting it. It means my setting is wrong. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my start Lucid swipe to accept. So means I have to swipe from left to right. So I'm gonna start over here, and over here. Now if I think this is going to be gone. This block is gone. So means, yeah, that's, I think you understand this one. This is a very important technique. So my setting was from left to right. So let's say check for 30 more seconds. Let's see if I get any block, then it will be accept automatically. So you no need to worry anything, but you have to keep an eye, and you need to be focused as well, because sometime maybe you leave the mobile and it will accept it and you don't know. So means you have to turn the notification on, then you will get the notification when it accept the block. Let's check for the 30 seconds. Otherwise, good luck for guys. Hope so you enjoy the video, and it will give you a lot of benefit, and you're not gonna get any problem using with your finger. So as I'm gonna say this again, this is only for Android, not you cannot use on iPhone at the moment. Okay guys, I'm gonna stop this video here because there's no offer available at the moment, but in this your case you should get the block soon. Thank you very much for watching this video. Okay guys, you can see this is accepted now. So I'm gonna get the bell as well, hope so, in a second, because I accepted the block before, so I got the notification bell. So this is important as well. So you can pause this one now, and you can minimize this, is at the bottom. You can minimize this, and if you go in your calendar, so it's 27th, so it was from 1 to 4. So I'm not gonna do this job, so I'm gonna forward this one. You can forward it, and you can go to offers again, and then you can maximize this, pressing this one, then you can keep doing it again. And this is simple, it's not hard. You can see that. Hope so this is going to be helpful for you guys. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.